With over 2 decades of experience across finance and real estate, Mr. Nitin Gupta is the visionary behind Maestro, a perfect performance-first growth platform that helps developers scale through strategy, systems, and sales excellence. You've won CXO of the Year as well as a real estate growth leader, Nitin. So, with today's interaction that we are going to have, what are the fundamental differentiators Maestro from other real estate companies, consultancies, and agencies in Pune today?
See, the way I look at Maestro, the way we differentiate from others is first, we are trying to create a knowledge entity. And as a knowledge entity, we provide the full stack of gamut of services, starting from land acquisition, go-to-market strategy, product design, cash flow management, sales, marketing communication, post-sales, collections, plus the way we are blending technology with the entire thing is to leverage and give a velocity sales and to all the developer partners of ours. Also, as an organization, we come up with a more corporate culture with lot of processes, system orientation, technology driven, and with the agility of a sales organization where we go very aggressive out with numbers and ensuring the desired velocity along with the brand and the desired output is achieved for the developer partners, and that is why how we differentiate ourselves with our competition. We don't provide piecemeal services and we are not having any confused model. We work as a clear strategic partner to developers as a knowledge entity.
That is really nice. How are you using technology to drive measurable outcomes for your clients?
Technology is not something we use as an additional tool, but it is blended in all our functions. Currently, we are using a lot of AI tools which gives full stack digital automation in terms of lead generation, what kind of target market we should have, what is happening to those leads, the right funneling. In CRM, we are using technology in terms of getting that customer insights. Lot of technology we are using in taking database decisions. So lot of analytical tools, AI-driven tools we are using. Our entire sales is built on the technology platform. From lead generation till collection, everything is well recorded and timely analyzed through lot of technological tools. And technology is the way of life for Maestro Real Tech. So we are building sales organization, selling lot of properties using technology. Hence, Maestro Real Tech.
What plans do you have for FY26?
Oh, FY26 is the year of going to be the year of Maestro. Why I am saying this? Because we have very aggressive plans to scale up our business. We started with residential sales, moved into commercials, and moved into plotting. Now we are planning to scale up into leasing and developing lot of new products in the market, wherein we are planning to get into DM model as well, with a difference where we are also planning to start with construction mandates. We will be increasing the gamut of services, and market is growing. Our market share is growing. So we'll be working very closely with our partners, with our developer partners, with our channel partners, and creating that ease of business for everyone, and creating that kind of platform, a marketplace where everyone benefits out of it.
How are you incorporating strategic partnerships into your business model?
Strategic partnership into our business model? It's a very interesting question. So we have first and most important partnership is with our developer. That is built on trust. we don't just provide services to our developer, but we build long-term revenue partnership with our developers. Second aspect of building this partnership is performance and transparency. So what we do, we build trust, long-term revenue partnership with our developers. We build a lot of enablement to our developer partners. Second, we partner with lot of agencies in terms of creative outputs, in terms of content, in terms of digital outputs, in terms of AI and various other things. Third and most important, we build a lot of partnership with our channel partners and the distribution, because I believe this gives us that kind of reach to our customers, where we distribute our product globally, within Pune, outside Pune, and generating that kind of velocity. So partnership is all about partnership.
Absolutely. That is it from us. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you so much.